In early 2025, cybersecurity researchers uncovered a critical zero-day vulnerability in Microsoft's Management Console, MMC. It was identified as CVE-2025-26633 and dubbed MSC EvilTwin. This exploit has been actively leveraged by a sophisticated threat group known as Water Gamayun, also referred to as EncryptHub or Larva 208, to execute malicious code and exfiltrate sensitive data from compromised Windows systems. Technical overview of CVE 2025-26633. The MSC EvilTwin exploit capitalizes on a flaw in how MMC handles Microsoft Console.msc files, particularly through the multilingual user interface path, MUIPATH. Attackers craft two identically named .msc files, a legitimate one and a malicious counterpart placed within an n-us subdirectory. When the legitimate .msc file is executed, MMC inadvertently loads the malicious version due to its search path behavior, allowing attackers to run arbitrary code without user consent. How Water Gamayun attacks its targets. Water Gamayun has demonstrated a sophisticated approach to exploiting CVE 2025-26633, making use of various techniques to infiltrate and persist within target systems. Malicious provisioning packages utilizes specially crafted provisioning packages to deliver and execute payloads during system setup or configuration processes. Signed Microsoft installer files .msi. Deploy malware through seemingly legitimate installer files, often masquerading as trusted applications to bypass security mechanisms. Abuse of living off the land binaries, LOL bins, leverages legitimate system binaries such as IntelliJ's runnerw.exe to proxy the execution of malicious PowerShell commands, thereby evading detection. Malware payloads delivered via MSC EvilTwin. Through the exploitation of CVE 2025-26633, Water Gamayun has deployed a variety of custom malware strains designed for persistence, data theft, and remote control, including EncryptHub Stealer, a modular information stealer that collects browser credentials, system metadata, clipboard contents, and cryptocurrency wallet data, transmitting the stolen information to attacker-controlled servers. DarkWisp Backdoor, a sophisticated backdoor providing full shell access, file transfer capabilities, and persistence mechanisms, communicating with command and control C2 servers over encrypted channels. Silent Prism Implant, a stealthy implant that integrates with legitimate Windows services to evade detection, primarily used for lateral movement and data exfiltration within compromised networks. Rhadamanthys Stealer, a commercial information stealer targeting FTP credentials, chat clients, and banking applications, often distributed through malicious .msi packages or binary malware droppers. How vulnerability exploitations impact affected systems. The exploitation of CVE 2025-26633 poses significant risks, including unauthorized system access, data breaches, and operational disruptions. Organizations, particularly those heavily reliant on Microsoft's administrative tools, are advised to implement the following mitigation strategies. Apply security patches promptly. Ensure that all systems are updated with the latest security patches released by Microsoft to address CVE 2025-26633. Enhance email security. Deploy advanced email filtering solutions to detect and block phishing attempts that may deliver malicious .msc files or other exploit vectors. Monitor for anomalous activity. Utilize intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security information and event management, SIEM, solutions to monitor for unusual system behaviors indicative of compromise. The discovery and active exploitation of CVE 2025-26633 ep250-33_ the constantly evolving tactics of threat actors like Water Gamayun. By understanding the mechanisms behind the MSC EvilTwin exploit and implementing robust security measures, organizations can better defend against such sophisticated attacks and protect their critical assets from compromise.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.